Hello, let's take a break for cooking, and here we are now doing walking exercise. Come on, let's join with us. We are here walking, going through our municipal because this is the best time to do walking. And as you can see, this is our road going to our municipal. Three of us, two my nieces and I, together.